So today I'm going to quickly show you how to withdraw your money from the MooMoo investing app. So we have the app loaded up here in real time. So let's just go ahead and take you step by step. So here is going to be the main screen when you load up onto MooMoo. It takes you to the quotes section. So what we want to do is click on the icon that says me. It's on the bottom right hand side of the screen here, and it takes you to your overall account page. And from here, there's going to be a little section that says trading related, and it's a little like area that's yellow with 4 boxes. So we're going to click on here, and here it's going to show you a bunch of different functionalities. Under the funds tab, you're going to see where it says withdraw, it has like green and it looks like a little house. So we click on here and it's going to show you the different options. We're going to want to do withdraw via ACH. And then from right over here, if you have a bank on file, it's going to have that option for you. And then you type in the amount you want to withdraw and hit submit, and you're going to have that money withdrawn back into your main bank account. Now, I want you to keep on learning and growing when it comes to your investing, so check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.